Do you want to know?
Welcome back to the channel, friends. Srikanth here. This vlog is going to be little different because we are going for a picnic after a long time, a family picnic. So with me, my parents, sister, brother-in-law, we all are going. We have a very scenic spot in Kandhamal district. As you have noticed in my previous blog, Kandhamal district is also really an awesome place. Wherever you go, you will find these ghat roads full of mountain ranges. So we have a scenic place where we can cook our own food. It's a designated picnic spot. So anyway, I will keep you posted. Let's start. See, vehicle is fully loaded for this picnic as usual. And this is really helpful, this storage box. Yeah, big cylinder and all, because we are 9 to 10 people going. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Aishman. Hope you are enjoying the drive. We just took a short break. Man tried to be smart today and he fell down.
Fell down.
Huh?
Fell down.
Hope nothing happened, right?
Nothing happened.
You are enjoying the ride?
Yes.
So much twists and turns, right?
Yes.
Let's continue. Still 20 kilometers, 15-20 kilometers still remaining. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
On the way to the picnic spot, we found a nice place called Jalesepeta. There is a temple around, Jaleswara temple, and as well as there is a river flowing nearby. So it's a scenic location. We thought we'll just stop and take few snaps. The place is really amazing. So let me show you a cinematic clip of this place. After that, we'll continue our journey. Okay. We reached the picnic spot. Initially, we thought visiting Belaghar nature camp, but after reaching the ride, we found a few people there, and it was looking a kind of touristy kind of place. And there we asked, they told just go a little far, 3 to 4 kilometers. There is a natural stream and a forest kind of area. So we came here. It's really looks nice. Let me take you to the place, and also let's set up the picnic area for cooking. See, this is the place I was talking about. Such a nice place, and nobody is around. And we like anyway this kind of area, which is kind of hardly crowded or less known. and as you see there is a natural stream passing by, so we have water source, and Aishman is super excited as usual. He started his work. See what, Aishman, what you are doing? Aishman, what you are doing?
I'm collecting sticks.
Collecting sticks, huh? What you will do with that?
For a fire.
Fire, huh? Anyway, we will cook in gas, so what you will do with firewoods? Hmm?
We need.
Iceman was right. There are plenty of firewood available here, so we thought of let's cook in fire and firewood as well. Anyway, today we are not going to cook a lot. We just will have mutton and rice. That's all. Aishman, let's go to the stream. Okay? You like it? Be careful, okay? It might be slippery. See? You're falling down, man.
Dogs are there.
Dogs. Yeah, duck.
No. Dogs.
Lots of red ant. It's very dangerous, okay?
Too much.
I think that side is fine. Okay. It's a full forest tracking. Careful. See, this is the bridge, Iceman. So it crosses the stream like this. Will you be able to go?
Yes.
This side is not so great. Not this side, that side. Go that side. Let's go. Okay. See, careful, I tell you. Check if red ant is there, okay? Because see,
Yes.
everywhere red ants are there.
Here on.
Yeah. Here also a lot.
I will.
Hey! What, Ivan? You are falling down all the time. Huh? Lots of red ant around, okay? Again here also. Oh man. We just returned from the stream. It's such a beautiful place, man. And we stopped at a random place. It's not at all available in Google Maps. It's just some 3 kilometers from what is that place? Kaun se nada?
Belaghar.
Belaghar. From Belaghar, it's 3 kilometers. Anyway, now let's have a look what's going on in the cooking side of it. Okay. Firewood cooking is done. Rice already we cooked. Now time to cook mutton. Anyway, it's already going on. It will take minimum 1 hour to cook mutton. Ayushman want to share his experience. Few
Yes.
words. What you did?
I went to the stream and collected firewood to make rice. And,
Ayushman helped actually. Ayushman helped to
yes.
cook rice. Till now he was with fire only. He was just trying
Yes.
out a few things, putting dry wood, then wet wood, then smoke coming out, right? So many things.
And dry leaves also.
Dry leaves also, yeah, because that will catch fire very fast.
Yes.
Okay. So Ayushman, what we will do? We will show everybody, our viewers, where we are.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
How we can show that?
We can show that. Mm,
We'll show a drone view.
yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Let's try it out.
Yes. Let's try.
Honestly, flying drone here it is a challenge because this the height of the trees, it's really too high, man. It's more than like 10 meters, and drone limit is 20 meters because of DJI Mavic Mini. I'm talking about permissible limit, not the actual limit. Drone can fly much higher than that, but however, we always go with the limit. Anyway, we'll quickly finish our lunch. After that, we'll continue. We need to rush back to home because we are already getting late. 3 o'clock now. Okay. Honestly, we had a wonderful time today. Spending time with nature, with the loved ones, is one of the best thing to do. My kid enjoyed a lot. My parents also, they hardly get time to spend time with nature. We came here, we stopped at a random place, we cooked our own food, spend some quality time. What else we need? Really, we love the time we spend today. We keep going such places almost every week, and I upload travel videos even every week, as you have noticed. Every Thursday I upload. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification whenever I upload the new video. Don't forget to like if you really enjoy the video. And I think today this is the right time to end the vlog. We will see you in the next vlog, maybe next week. Till then, take care. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.